Every student and employee in Dorchester School District 2 has access to Office 365. Office 365 allows access to things like Outlook, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Teams online, as well as 5 licenses to install these programs on your own computers. Your Office 365 account is also used to allow you access to many of our district resources through Clever. To access Office 365, you can either log into Clever, scroll to District Resources, and select Office 365, or visit portal.office.com and log in using your district-provided email and your password. Once logged into Office 365, you'll see a number of tiles that represent the apps available. You can access your district email anywhere on any device by clicking on the Outlook button to view your email. To install one of your 5 Office licenses, you can click on Install Office and choose Office 365 apps. Please remember that you only have 5 computer installs, so if you want to install on a different computer and you've already used all 5, you will have to deactivate your previous licenses in order to install again. Office 365 also allows access to programs like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, as well as OneDrive, where you have 1 terabyte of online storage to back up your district computer or any other files as you wish. You'll also find access to Microsoft Forms and Microsoft Teams through Office 365.